Welcome to JKR English TRB channel. In this video we are going to see Dr. Foster's, that is one more questions. I have given 20 questions in each part. So this is part 2. So listen please, you will get more answers about this Foster's, Dr. Foster's. So 21st question, Foster's thinks that a sound magician is a mighty god. So this is the line given in the text. So original text. 22. When Faustus was left alone, he was accompanied by good angel and evil angel. 23. Good angel advised him to believe in God. So good angel advises him to believe in the God. Evil angel advises him to study black magic. 25th. Who is Beelzebub, prince of east, monarch of burning hell? 26th. Faustus asked Mephistopheles to come in the shape of Franciscan friar. So first Mephistopheles appears, Faustus asks him to come in the shape of Franciscan friar because he is very ugly to see. So Faustus asked to him to come in the shape of Franciscan friar. 27. Who is Mephistopheles and fallen angel, servant of Lucifer? Mephistopheles is a fallen angel and servant of Lucifer. Who is Lucifer? Prince of hell. 29th question. How Lucifer became the prince of devils? He fell through ambition, pride and insolence to God. So Lucifer fell, that is he fell from heaven to the position of prince of devils. How he became like that? He fell through the ambition, pride and insolence to God. 30th question. Faustus sells his soul to Lucifer for how many years? 24 years. 31. Wagner calls of the two devils Belial and Belcher. So who is Wagner here? Servant of Faustus, and he calls of the two devils Belial and Belcher. 32. Clown was feared by. So Wagner calls the two devils, and here the clown was feared by the two devils. The two devils have, that is he devil and she devil. He devil have horns and she devil have clown feet. 33. Act 2 Scene 1 starts with Faustus' soliloquy. So in Act 2 Scene 1, that Act 2 and Scene 1 starts with Faustus' soliloquy. See, I have given the original line from the text. 34th question. Abjure this magic, turn to God again. Faustus' soliloquy. So Faustus wants to give up this magic and he again returned to God. That line mentions that. 35. How did Mephistopheles ask Faustus to sign in the bond? To stab his arm and write in his own blood. So Faustus want to stab his own arm and write on his own blood the bond which he sells his soul for 24 years to the devils. Mephistopheles agrees that servant to Faustus. So again the Mephistopheles, after the bond is over, Mephistopheles agrees to as a servant of Faustus. What is the word that appears on the arm of Faustus? Homofuge, man flee. So when Faustus signs the bond, the word appears homofuge, man flee. 38. Wherever we are, there is hell, and wherever hell is, there we are. Mephistopheles. So Mephistopheles tell to Faustus that wherever we are, there is hell, and wherever hell is, there we are. It is the answer given by Mephistopheles where the hell is. What is the power of Lucifer on Faustus? Full power to carry his body, soul, blood belongs to hell. And then 40th question. Mephistopheles gives a bond to Faustus which has the power to bring. So Mephistopheles give a magical book to the Faustus to practice. In that book, Faustus can practice what means to bring whirlwinds, tempest, thunder, lightning, gold, etc. So these are the 40 questions are over, and I will upload more videos for this one more questions. It will be more useful for you too for the exam point of view. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.